How to schedule your emails on the mail app on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can schedule your email on the mail app on your iPhone. So I'll be walking you through on how to do it on both the apps. So go ahead and open the mail app. When you open the mail app, click on where it says compose, or click on the compose icon showing down below. Click on that. When you click on that, click on for example, I want to send this message to my babe. So I'm sending the message to my babe, the email to my babe. You can send it to anyone you want. Go ahead and type in the subject. Go ahead and type in the details. So go ahead and put please subscribe to my channel. When you put that, click and hold on the send icon. When you click and hold on the send icon, as you can see, guys, you can go ahead and schedule it based on the time you want it to send. So you can click on send later to customize it more. This is how you can schedule mail on your mail app. You can go ahead and use the Gmail app if you don't want to use the mail app. So let's go ahead and use the Gmail app. Click on that. When you open the Gmail app, click on where it says compose. When you click on compose, go ahead and click on the person you want to send the mail to. For example, I'm sending the mail to myself. Let's go ahead and put in the subject, subscribe. So after typing in what you want your email content to have, for example, for my case, let's put please subscribe. Please subscribe. After putting in the content, just click on the three dot screen just above your screen. Click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, guys, it's showing you schedule send. So let's go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, you can go ahead and schedule it for tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, and you can go ahead and pick the date you want. So this is how you can schedule mails on your iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.